Hi there. Are you searching for success, joy, happiness, and balance in your life? Are you trying to reprogram your subconscious mind? Is your mind mastery program not giving you the results you want? Is stress, anxiety, fear, worry, doubt creating havoc in your life? Watch this video series to understand why this is happening and what you can do about it. Have you ever been to a grocery store when you were in a hurry and you got in the wrong line? It's moving rather slowly. And now you can't switch because there is a couple of people behind you. You feel stuck and frustrated. Well, a lot of us go through life and business in similar way. We want to be successful. We want to create the life we desire, attract the love we want, have the house and car of our dreams, create a lifestyle business, but we can't seem to get it out in the right way. So we feel stuck and frustrated and bogged down. If you are experiencing this, you need to know that you are in the wrong line. And it's an easy switch if you find the right line. Here's the problem and the solution. We all know law of attraction. In fact, some of us are experts and teach this stuff. We also know that thoughts creates our reality. And mind stuff is important to create results. But the problem is, sometimes this knowledge works, other times it doesn't. The whole reason we struggle is because we are in the wrong line. We are using the wrong mind. Let me give you an example. Say you want something or you want to create something. Let's say you want to manifest a red sports car. Now both the science and the religion say, if you believe, you will see it. This is profound knowledge. But you are stuck because the process says if you believe it, you will see it. But the mind, the brain says I will believe it after I see it. So you are stuck. It's a catch-22. And ever since you've been trying to teach the brain to visualize, see the thing in its absence, the red car in this instance. So you, the creator, has to visualize or see it in mind's eye. Or you have been doing this for a while. Om, red sports car, Om. And you are still waiting, searching for the right way to manifest, trying to figure out what you are doing wrong. But by now, you are an expert because you have learned from the best of the best all about the brain, about the memory and the emotion, which are the functions of the frontal lobe. You know about the amygdala, the fight and flight response center. You studied the cerebrum and the cerebellum, about the emotional processes. You know about the neurogenesis, neuroplasticity, and by now you know a lot about cognitive neuroscience. And enough about the biological process also, about the brain, that you can manage the brain waves, the alpha, the theta, the gamma, hyper gamma, all the different levels and frequency, and the neural oscillations. You also dabbled in the subject of genes and genome and gene mapping and epigenetics. But it hasn't solved your manifestation issue. Why? Because you are in the wrong line. You are stuck in the mindset. All this while you thought the belief is the function of the mind only, and the brain can't tell the difference. You can fake it till you make it with the visualization. But in reality, you need to move to a different line. It's all about the spirit, the consciousness. You need to evolve to higher consciousness, not the altered state with happy drugs or green plant medicine, but organic evolution of consciousness to an elevated state. You see, there is a belief of the mind and then there is a belief of the soul. Your knowing from the deep within, the real you, not your brain. The brain will get you going and give you small results. But your ultimate goal is transformation for yourself, your family, your clients. You cannot fake it to make it. Your soul has the imprint of what you are going to be doing. That what has to come forth. So it's not what your eyes can see, the physical eyes, but the spiritual eyes, the quantum mind, perhaps same as the Egyptian eyes of Horus, like that one. You know, there are two entities here, the creator and the created. The red sports car is the created, and you are the creator, right? But this is where most people screw up. They think their mind, the brain, is the creator. You have to visualize the car with your mind. So, this is the car that you are going to visualize, and that is you. But here is the problem, you are in the wrong line. The car is in the physical world, like this one. So is your body and brain. Your body and brain is also physical. The brain is also made of matter. It is energy, just like the car. And everything else in the physical world, this is what it looks like. This is different than your higher self. Your mind is not the creator, it is the created. Your spirit, your soul, and consciousness, the higher self, is the creator. If you want to know it, just hold your breath for a few minutes. The one that forces you to breathe again is your spirit. It wants to keep you alive. That's not your brain. The belief needs to come from there, from that depth. So let's say this is the physical world, your body and the brain. Your house, computer, your family, everything is in this physical world. Just not in your possession. The red sports car is also there, but it's not in your possession yet because your consciousness is not on it. So the world is also a bigger part of the picture. And somewhere there is a higher self. We don't know much about it. So I'm not going to give you the bull crap. Let's say it looks like this for the sake of understanding. This is your higher self, your spirit self, your God self. That is the creator. When the higher self believes it, it happens instantly because it commands the body and mind, the brain here, to take action. Then nothing can stop you. You can move mountains. My goal today was to convince you that you are in the wrong line. The series of videos will take you beyond your mind, your conscious brain, so stay tuned. You can subscribe to my channel, or you can connect with me on Facebook or make appointment with me, and we can talk more about your journey, where you are, and if I can support to expedite your journey and make it fun and exciting. Fearless living is what I teach. Thank you for your time. Namaste.